How to back up Zengo wallet securely. Are guys facing issues to back up Zengo wallet securely? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To back up your Zengo wallet securely, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now go to the settings menu. After you click on settings menu, look for the backup and security options and tap on it. Zengo uses a unique keyless security model, so instead of traditional seed phrases, it relies on your Face ID cloud backup linked to your email. Make sure your email is verified, your Face ID or biometric login is enabled for extra protection. You can also enable two-factor authentication within the app to add another security layer. Remember, never share your backup details or verification email with anyone in case you lose access to your device. This backup setup will help you recover your wallet safely without risking your crypto assets. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.